Okay, so now I've got this one locked in here, but I've got all of these other ones hanging out up here in kind of nowhere's land. So the next thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and continue this chain by continuing to mate the leftover components. So let's go ahead and lock this one down next. I'm just grabbing one of our double links here to pull it down and mate it. And we're going to do this one the same way that we did the other ones. Again, we're going to lock the bore to bore. Then we're going to do the width mate between our notch and our tab here. So let's go ahead and get back into our mate tool. I'm going to come back up here on our ribbon, click the mate tool, and the first one I'm going to do is I'm going to do the bore. So I'm just going to click on the bore of that one. The bore is also the internal cylindrical diameter of something. So if you're not used to that terminology, that's what that is. It's the inside diameter. And then I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on this one as well. Now, let me go back really quick because I can actually select a different one. So I can select, so the last time I selected this one, right? So I can also select this big one out here because these two circles are also, they're coincident. The centers are the same. So I can click on that one and it'll do the exact same thing. Hit my green check mark. And now you can see that that one is connected. So now I'm going to go ahead and come back over to my tools. I'm still in the mate tool. I haven't exited it yet. So I'm going to go down to the advanced mates, click that. And all I do to get into those is I'm going to click on the name, standard mates. I can also click on the caret on the right hand side. I'm going to click on that caret. I'm going to go down to the width mate. And again, we've got our width selection and our tab selection. So let's go ahead and click on our width selection. Somebody's yelling at me from upstairs, so I'm going to have to go here in just a second. So there's our width selection. Now we're going to click on our tab selection. It's going to be that side and that side of our tab. And now we've got two of them connected. So now I'm going to hit my green check mark, and you can see now those two are connected together. So now I want you guys to go ahead and go along the string. Oh, actually, we've got to add a couple more in here. So let's go ahead and grab a couple more of these single links. Let's grab, if I kind of put these down in rows, we can see that I need 1, 2, 3. Let's grab 4 more single links and pull those in. I'm going to use the method to come over here in my model tree, click on my single link, hold Control, click and drag out. So there's 1, there's 2, there's 3, and there's 4. So let's go ahead and snake this off. Let's connect this single link to this double link. We're going to, again, use the exact same methods. We're going to hit our mate tool. We're going to click on the center of that one. We're going to click on the center of that one. We're going to go ahead and exit our mate, or we're going to accept that. Now, you can see when I click the second mate face, it's going to give me this quick access toolbar here. This is going to let me change which one of those mates I want and hit the green check mark to go ahead and accept that mate. So I'm going to hit the green check mark. Then I'm going to come back over here on the left hand side to our mates tools. I'm going to go down, click advanced mates, click on the width tool. I'm going to click the two sides of my width. And then I'm going to click on the two sides of my tab. And there we go. So now you can see that I've got those all set up, all snaked out here, and those are all snaked out together. Whew! Not supposed to do that. Okay, so now on your own, I want you to go ahead and finish that out to the right, and then continue on to the next video.